Hello folks, welcome to another video where I would be sharing like 5 to 6 universities or deemed to be universities in India that are offering distance education or online education for degree and postgraduate courses, for graduate and postgraduate courses like MBA, BCA, BBA, MCA and so on, MCom, BCom, so वगैरह वगैरह, you can understand. So I personally am involved, like I took my admission in MIT University. I regret that I did not give it a much thought. It's not a bad university, it's a very good university. It's just that on the course fees, it's a bit pricey. Like I said in the previous video, I can afford it. But then again, there are many people who are still working or who are not working and are they do not have a very sound financial situation. So for them there are alternatives as well. There are universities which are equally capable, their degree is equally sound, they are all UGC registered, UGC recognized, and they also provide better scope of opportunity for future employment opportunities. So let's, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started with it. I have my system pulled up. So the first university we would go through is Jain Online. It's Jain Online University is a Bangalore-based university. They offer several courses. If we go to the program here, see, you can see they are offering courses in BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA, MC, and MA. Technically, their course fees differs from anywhere between a lakh to 1,80,000 for each of those courses, depending upon what your interests are. You can enroll yourself for BBA or MCA. They do not provide BCA though, so if you are more keen into BCA, you want to get into business administration or into a corporate job that is non-tech, so I would suggest you go for BCom or BBA and then pursue your MBA through online if you have not yet started pursuing your higher education. So they do not have any admissions going on right now, but certainly they would start it back in January. Before I proceed with the other universities, what I would like to also to recommend you is, if you are taking admission, always target to take admission in April or in July, because these are the 2 months where these colleges or universities come up with lot of discounts and promotions, where if the course fees are like, let's say 2 lakh, you would only be paying like 60% of it if you sign up at that point of time when they are running their promotions. So all of these colleges have their promotions ongoing in between April and on April, to be very specific, in April and in July. So that's the first thing. The second thing is they have two admission, like they take admissions twice a year. So they have their first batches starting from January. So the admission starts from January itself. So January, February, March and April would be the time of admission, and for the second term it starts anywhere between July to October. So that would be your time frame to take admission in 2022. So this is Jain Online University. This is a deemed to be university. It is not a complete university yet. So you can check out their website, which is online.jainuniversity.ac.in. The second university is SRM University. You have heard about SRM University from South India, right? So I believe they are from Chennai. Yeah, they are from Chennai. And this is their online portal where they offer several programs. So if you, I'm looking into BCA right now, so we'll go into the program curriculum. So they have MBA, MCA, MCom, Master of Commerce for postgraduate degrees, and for undergraduate they have BBA and BCA. Now what's very good about their programs, about SRM Online, is they have specialized courses. So if you see, Bachelor of Business Administration in Digital Marketing, which is again a booming industry, So within the next 5 to 10 years, this is one of the best industries that you can be involved in, digital marketing. The second is BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications in Data Science. If you do not already know, all you need to do is, data science is just a search away. Search it on Google and you would see YouTube recommending you lot of data science courses. They somehow they, this companies that are offering data science courses feel like they would make you a data scientist in like 6 to 9 months, which is quite impossible though. Anyway, so if you look into their curriculum, it is totally specialized and they offer a lot of leverages to their students. You can go into the curriculum and search whatever they're offering. See, they have like in semester 1 they have all the basics, data analysis using Excel, which is very difficult, to be very honest with you. I completed my advanced Excel courses. Programming in Java, which is basic data structures and algorithm, mathematical foundation. You can go through this at your own spare time. So their online website would be srmonline.in. I'm really sorry, I am not able to record my screen this time because again I had to uninstall the software again and I would have to reinstall it, so I did not do it right now. So try to search from your end. Their website would be srmonline.in. Apart from this, if you look at the course structure for BCA, it's 21,500 rupees per semester. Again, you would be getting a discount on this if you enroll in April or in July. Not just on BCA, you would get the same discounts in MBA, MCA, MCOM and BBA as well. Let's go ahead to the third university, which is Chandigarh University. The first thing that I would like to inform you about Chandigarh University is Chandigarh University and Punjab University are two different things. So please do not confuse yourself. In order to know more about Chandigarh University, you folks have to go to cuidol.in. cuidol.in. And in case if you were not able to understand what I just said, I would be mentioning the link of the websites in my description below, so you can go through it. They have a lot of courses available with them. This is a UGC recognized university as well for online and distance education. Programs offered, you can see they have a lot of programs here. Bachelor of Business, BBA, MBA, BCA, MCA, BCom, MCom, BA, Master of Arts in English, Master of Arts in Sociology, I believe. Psychology, sorry. So Master of Arts in Psychology. You can again go ahead and choose your program out of it. Now, to be very precise with you, if you feel like you are pursuing education just for employment and it's more like you are enrolling yourself into these colleges or universities and the university is somehow responsible for placing you into a company and get you a decent job, so I would request you to not to rely on that information. Your employment totally depends upon your skills. There are ample opportunities out there. There are so many jobs out there. If you have the perfect skills, you would get hired. There would be rejections, but technically at the end of the day, if you have the skills what the company is looking for, you will be hired irrespective of you having experience or not. So this is Chandigarh University for you folks. One of the best universities which I would compare with MET is Manipal University, which is again a UGC recognized university. It's not a deemed to be university, so it's already a university, it's already a set up university. They have a huge gigantic campus in Rajasthan, Jaipur I believe, in Jaipur. Apart from this, they have a lot of courses that they offer, online undergraduate degrees, if you can see. BBA 36 months, BCom 36 months, BCA 36 months. For masters, you can see MBA, MCom, mass communication and journalism is also there, and MCA is here. So you can choose their course fee. Let's take one of the undergraduates, BBA. I believe their course fee would be 1,20,000. 20,000 each semester, so the entire course would conclude within 1,20,000. However, again, if you reach them in between April and in July, you would be saving more because they would be offering discounts as well. So you see here, they only want you to study 15 to 20 hours a week for 36 months to complete their entire courses on time within 36 months without any back papers. So these are the top 4 universities that offers online education as per me. Now, your opinions might differ from mine. There are other universities as well, which are not so famous, which may or may not be UGC recognized, or which may or may not have a lot of students enrolled right now.